Hello and welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you the front post triple crochet in patterns that's signified with FPTR. I'm going to start us with a sample that is a foundation chain and a double crochet, which are in green, and then a row of single crochets. I did this so that we can see the contrast as we do this stitch together. So we're going to get started here with our triple crochet. So to start off, what we're going to do is I'm going to do a chain 3 off of that single row in the lavender, and then we are going to turn our work. And as we do that, you're going to notice that we have a row of single crochets, and in that what we're going to do first is we're going to do a double crochet in that first stitch from the hook. So by way of reminder, how we're going to do that is we're going to yarn over, go underneath the V, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. And now what we're going to go into is the triple crochet, and we're going to do that in the post. So that is the green stitches, and we're going to yarn over once and twice. So now you have 3 on your hook. And you're going to do the front post. So you're going to go in through the front, weave around, and come back out through the front. At this point, you'll yarn over again, pull it through that post, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the last loops. So there you go. You have done your first triple crochet. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to put in a double crochet in the next stitch from the top, or in the top. So there is our next double, and we're going to do another front post. I'm going to do a couple of these with you. So 1, 2, we're going to put the hook through the front, around the back, and we're going to pull up a loop, go through 2, go through 2 again, and go through the last 2. So there you go. We have done now 2 triple crochets. So here we're going to do that double again. And like I was saying, this is just to show you what the triples look like and to provide some contrast. So wrap it around twice. We're going to go through that post, yarn over. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. So there you go. You have finished that third triple crochet, and I'm going to show you one more just so that you've gotten the hang of it. And this will be a wrap around twice, go through the front of your post, come around the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you have it. It is simple as that. This stitch I've used in doing different hats, and I really have enjoyed doing it. It creates a beautiful pattern. I'm going to put a link to a Pinterest hat that I have done with this stitch, and if you are interested, please click on the Pinterest page and it'll take you right to the hat and to the free pattern that I used to make it. So here is your finished triple crochets. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and leave comments if you'd like to see other stitches done. And I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel, turn notifications on, so when I do post new stitches and projects, you will be the first to know. Thanks!